Hello students, today I am going to guide you regarding how to solve term 1 paper and upload it through the Google Classroom. For the same, you need to open Google Classroom app on the day of examination at 8:20 am. Here, under the dashboard of particular subject, you will get your term 1 paper. Suppose today there is a science paper for standard 8th A. So I will open science subject dashboard. Here in classwork tab, you will get your science paper of term 1. You need to open it. There are certain instructions. For standard 6 to 8, objective and subjective, both papers will be of 20 marks each, total 40 marks. For standard 9, objective paper will be of 30 marks, subjective 20 marks, in total 50 marks. Two separate links for objective and subjective will be available in Google Classroom. You can see these two separate links at the bottom of this screen. Objective standard 8, subjective standard 8. So two separate links will be available. Both links will open at 8:20 am. Exam solving time will be from 8:30 am to 10:30 am. Then both links will close at 10:30 am. So you will get 2 hours to solve these both the papers. From 10:30 to 11:30, you will get 1 hour to take photos of solved answer sheet, convert it into the PDF and upload in Google Classroom. So these things you need to complete within next 1 hour, that is from 10:30 to 11:30. There is no need to solve the objective paper on ruled pages. Objective paper need to submit through the Google form in online only. There is no need to write down those answers on ruled answer sheet. Subjective paper you need to write on ruled pages. Fullscape ruled pages must be used for the same. Now I will click on objective paper. Make sure that correct account is chosen. So I am opening it through my mgsnagpur.org account. So you need to log in through your mgsnagpur.org email ID, which is provided to you by school. Here you need to write down the name followed by class and section, and then you need to solve the objective paper. And click on submit button. Once this paper is completed, you need to close this screen and open subjective paper. Here also you need to make sure that correct mgsnagpur.org ID should be selected. Again you need to type the name of student, class and section. Then read questions one by one and solve it on ruled pages. So here you don't need to type answer. The answer should be written on ruled pages. One by one you need to read the question from here and write the answer on ruled pages. Once your paper get completed, you need to click on yes radio button given at the bottom and click on submit. So this paper will get submitted. In this way, to solve these two papers, that is objective and subjective, there are two separate links, and these both the links will get open at 8:20 am. But exam solving time will start at 8:30 am and will go up to 10:30 am. So within 2 hours you need to solve both these papers. Now you will get one additional hour to take photos of your subjective paper, convert it into the single PDF and upload in Google Classroom. So how to do that I am going to explain you now. For the same I have used Kagaz Scanner app. For example, your answer sheet has 4 pages. So you need to take photos using your mobile phone of that all 4 pages. Make sure that photos should be proper, it should not be blur, and take photos with good quality. So I consider that you have already take photos of your ruled answer sheet. Now it's time to convert it into the PDF. So for the same, I am using Kagaz Scanner app. Here at the bottom side you can see plus button in green color. We need to open that. Here go to the files option. So now from here I will search where my photos. You can see these are my solved answer sheet page photos. Now select it in particular sequence and import it and click on proceed button. Make sure that the pages are in correct sequence and properly selected. Drag it so it should be full screen. Write proper name, class, section, date, everything on these pages. Now to make it proper, click on original button given at the left side. So it will be in proper color now. And now click on done button. Now you can see these 4 pages here. Make sure that you upload all the images in correct sequence, that is page number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and click on right button. Here you can see one downward arrow. We need to click on that arrow here. Here take the option download as PDF, which is the second option. So your file will get download. Now you need to upload this file. You will get this file in downloads folder. So let's move to the downloads folder. Here we can see the file. You need to rename this file properly. Your name, standard and subject. So you need to rename this file properly. Save it. Now it's time to upload this file in Google Classroom. For the same, you need to go in your Google Classroom, slide it up, go to add attachment. From here select file option and you can see this file under the download folder. Make sure that the correct folder should be selected. You can see it is my download folder and in that folder that paper is there. So I will select that PDF. is uploading. Once it is uploaded, then you need to click on turn in. Click on turn in once again. In this way, this process is completed. I hope this tutorial will make your task easier.